I was 16 when my mom asked me to change the alternator in her car because we didn't have the money to pay someone. I loved cars, but I had never actually worked on one in real life. I had the car, a repair book propped up on the fender, and a handful of mismatched tools. What I didn't have was any understanding of what all those parts really did. The book showed clean drawings. The engine was not clean drawings. The first step was disconnecting the battery, and even that felt serious. I remember being nervous putting my hands down inside the engine bay, old grease, road dust, that smell every engine has, and my family standing there waiting to see if the car would run when I was done. I wasn't worried about the alternator yet. I was worried about damaging something I didn't understand. This was before digital cameras, so I made notes and little sketches so I could remember where things went. The book helped, but not nearly as much as holding the part in my hand. Once it was off the car, I finally understood what I was looking at, and that meant I also had to understand how it went back. That's when the job got bigger. I started noticing everything around it, the belt, the wiring, what else looked worn, what might fail next. I bolted the new alternator in, hooked the wires back up, tightened the belt, and finally reconnected the battery. Then I told everyone to step back because I was about to try it. I didn't know if it would start or if I just made it worse. I turned the key. It started, and nothing smoked. I drove it around the block, came back, opened the hood again, and realized I wasn't scared of it anymore.
After you've done one, the mystery is gone. They're all basically the same. A couple of bolts, a belt, some wires. I've probably changed a dozen since then. Parking lots, the side of the road, bad weather, hot engines in summer heat. Eventually you stop thinking about the alternator at all. You start trusting that whatever's in front of you can be figured out. The job didn't get easier. I just got familiar with being uncomfortable. I thought I was changing an alternator. Turns out, the alternator changed me.